red color. Red color is my favorite color, and it is a good color in my opinion. And when I see this color, so I feel very good, and I feel glad when I see this color because I like this color in my childhood, from my childhood. Yes.
Okay,
Mm.
good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And what about you? Thank you for asking me.
Yes, I'm doing great too. Thank you.
Mm.
So I think we met before also, right?
Yes, yes. It's our second meeting.
Okay.
Yeah.
It would be great if we
We,
can introduce again.
yes, been very long. Yes, it's our second meeting. So should I
Because
give my
sometimes I
introduction?
forget about the people because I'm talking with so many people, so that's why.
Yes,
So it.
yes. Yeah, at that time I took session with you with the wear on my mask.
Mhm. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So, so let
So
me
should
introduce.
I give my interview or not?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yeah, sure. So my name is Urmila Kanwar. I'm from Rajasthan and I have completed my post graduation. And nowadays I am talking with different people for my English practice. And I'm passionate about this language. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are traveling, driving, and doing yoga. And yeah, that's all about me. Yes.
Okay, nice.
Yes. So I would like to know about you.
Yes. As you know, my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my qualification, so I have done engineering in IT branch and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube for last 1.5 years. Yeah, that's all about me.
Yeah, nice to hear you. Yes. So how's your practice going and how's your job is going? And yeah.
Okay, so nowadays everything is going fine. I can say my YouTube, my practice, and I'm consistent also regarding my practice. So every day I try to connect one person, so that I can be able to practice every day. And yeah, if I'll talk about my job, so it is also going well. Uh, yeah, that's it.
Mhm. So is your work from home is still going on and has it ended? Companies are calling you or not?
No, no, it is still same work from home.
Okay. Yeah.
So I think you started your channel also. Is it correct?
No, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just here because of my practice.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
actually, I thought like nowadays you are, able to do this kind of practice, like without your mask also. So maybe you are running your YouTube. So that's why I asked.
No. I'm not a YouTuber. Yeah.
Okay. So did you ever feel like you should start or not?
No, not now yet. Yes.
Because nowadays so many people are, YouTubers that I'm meeting. So that's why.
But yeah, but not yet. But yeah, I want if will I get opportunity and I will become fluent in it. So yeah, definitely I will get my YouTube channel. Yes. But now, yeah, I'm not ready. It is. Yes.
Hmm. Yeah,
So
it's up
yes,
to you.
yes, sure. So today I want to ask some random question if you are interested in this. So and you can ask me also. And if you are interested, so we can continue our conversation.
Okay, you can ask any question.
Okay. So today I'm going to ask your past, like your childhood. What is your experience and how was your first day of your school and with whom did you go to school with your first day and did you make any friend of your first day? Yes, first day of your school. Yeah, can you tell me about your childhood? How was your childhood? It may be.
First day of my school, I don't remember to be honest,
Yes, yes.
because I don't know. I don't remember my first day of school.
At what age did you go to school?
Maybe I was 3 years or 2 years, I guess.
Okay. Yes.
That's why I
So,
don't remember.
okay, no problem. Yeah. So, in your opinion, what age is better sent to school children? Yes.
Okay, I think 3 years is good. Like if if the children is ready for going to school and they are able to sit sit at school. So I think 3 years, 3 years is good.
Okay.
But
Yeah, depends on children. Yeah,
now,
if he adjust quickly anywhere, so yes, he adjust. Yes, yes.
what do you think? Like, is it okay 3 years or?
Yeah, yeah. I also think same thing. Yeah, 3 years is the best age to enroll. Yes, the kindergarten.
Hmm. Yes, you're right.
Uh, Otherwise, depends on children's nature. If they doesn't adjust quickly anywhere, so it is not good for him or her. Yes.
Hmm. But I think 3 years is good because in this time, they are very curious to learn each and everything, and especially not only about your study related stuff, but some other
Yes.
thing, other activities. So it would be good because they will be, habitual of sitting at school. Otherwise, if
At
we
that
will,
time, our children are very hyperactive. Yeah. And
hmm.
they want to try everything practically.
Yeah. Okay. So do
So
you remember your school day, like first day? I don't.
yeah, because yeah, when first day I went to school, I think 5 years. Yes, when I was 5 years. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes. At the time, yeah, my mom sent me to school, uh, I cried a lot because at the time I told my mom I didn't go to school, and I don't want to go to school because yeah, it seems very difficult. It seems very boring. Yes,
Yes,
I
yes.
remember still. Yes,
But
yes,
I think in my case, like I was a studious girl since my childhood. So I'm just feeling that I didn't, face any kind of difficulties adjusting at school, and because I was, like I used to like study a lot. So that's why.
yes, yes, yeah. Because my family, I was younger in my family at
Okay.
that time. Yeah. That's right. Yes. So, yeah. So, which things are you are doing to improve your English practice?
Okay, so I think I'm not giving extra time for learning this language, but I do practice every day, like this kind of practice. And if I get time in the night, so I try to listen any English content, like 5 to 10 minutes of any video. I try to listen that. That's it only, but not more than that.
But
Because of
yeah,
short time, you can say I have to work also. Then I have to give some time for YouTube and some technical studies also. So that's why.
yes. So, how much benefit you are getting to your YouTube channel? And yeah,
Okay, so nowadays I'm, for YouTube, I would say that till now I didn't get any kind of like that earning part. But if I would say about my benefits, so definitely I have improved a lot my communication skills. So I can say that I have two benefits, but on YouTube that when we get earning, so that we can say that yes, we got benefit from YouTube. But I can say that I have improved my communication skills, my confidence level, my fluency. So it is a beneficial for me.
yeah, I can also see that. Yeah, you are speaking very well before. Yes.
Yeah, because of practice, I think I can say that I have improved a lot.
Yeah, practice makes us perfect. If we will practice regularly, so we will become fluent in it one day. Yeah.
And even when I see my first video, no, so I felt like that yes, I was watching here and there, and my body language was not that much of good, and I was literally under confidence that time. But now I don't feel this kind of hesitation while talking to anyone because I already know that I have to just speak and speak whether I'm doing mistakes or not. So it is not matter.
Yeah. Yeah, at that time you was not be able to correct when eye contact,
Hmm.
but,
Yes.
but now it has very improved. Yeah,
Yeah. Right.
but it was my second way meeting with you without mask. Yes,
Okay.
yeah. So I'm also trying to remove my hesitation. Yes,
So are
but
you
before
feeling any like fear and all? or not?
Sorry. Yes, yes. No, no. Because my problem is where I can say that eye contact and yes,
Hmm.
these are things. Yeah, I'm facing. Yes. And yeah, very long time I have been trying to reconnect with you, but yeah, but I couldn't. Yeah, I couldn't find because due to some medical issues. Yeah, yeah. When I took session with you, so then I continue practice. Then I continued within 15 days. After that, I stopped my English practice. Yeah, due to some medical issues because. Because yeah, as I told you, I'm mother of 1.5 year old toddler. Yeah, so
Hmm.
he was under the weather. That's why. But yeah, again, I started my spoken journey within 15 days. Yes.
So it must be quite difficult, when we break our consistency, then we have to again start. So we feel little bit fumbling also.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes we don't get right words also.
Yeah, it is happening with me and it happens with me. Yes, yes. Yeah, you are
Hmm.
right.
Yeah. Okay. Any other question?
Yeah, so do you read book or not?
No.
Mm.
Actually,
But
I try to read books, but I'm not in habit of reading, I can say. So yeah, sometimes I read one and two pages. Then again, I break my habit, and then again I start reading. But I'm not in habit of reading, I can say.
but do you take session every day, I think? Huh? Yes.
Hmm. Yes. On weekend, I don't try to do any conversation because I want to take some rest. But yeah, someday if anybody is insisting me that we get time only on Saturday or Sunday, then I connect with them. Otherwise, I avoid.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, I always try to take session every day, but my whole routine it depends on my son.
Hmm.
When yeah, yes, yes. But yeah, whenever I get free, so I send message.
It must be very difficult for you because
So,
it's
yes,
because of
yeah, yeah.
child.
How was your experience about this Skype platform? Yeah,
Yeah, till now it is good, I think, because every day I'm getting one person to talk. Sometimes, someone is sending email, so this is how I'm getting people to, interact with them. So
yes,
it is good opportunity for me because I don't get much time, just to, set deadline like time, like this time or this day we can meet. So it is really difficult because my time is not fixed, or I can say some days I have a lot of work, so I am not able to do so. So on Skype, it depends on me also. Sometimes if I'm free, so I can do conversation. Otherwise, we cannot do. So yeah.
it is a good platform. We can connect easily with someone through the this platform. Yes, yes.
Yes.
So how do you manage your day with your job and your English practice? Your day is very hectic.
Yeah, sometimes it is very hectic, and especially in night time, I get exhausted because of work and this YouTube. Because every time I have to just look at in front of laptop or mobile. That's it. So that's why you can say that I'm in front of laptop or mobile 12 hours,
Yes,
or
yes,
it can be very sometimes like 12 to 14 hours as well. So yeah,
yes.
in night time I get exhausted really, so that's why I take break on my weekend so that I can recover myself again for next week.
I think you are unmarried.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, this is the also thing that I can get time because I don't have household responsibilities.
Yes, that's why. Yeah, you 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 are consistent about your goal. Yes, and
Hmm.
you can focus or yeah, you can focus your goal now. Yeah, because but I'm a homemaker and it is very difficult for me because homemakers doesn't grab the time for our own practice.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Yes, yes, I can understand. Because
homemakers
now
have
I'm free, all
responsibilities.
free from responsibilities. I don't have such kind of responsibilities. Yeah, like yes, in the morning you have to make breakfast or you have to take care of your baby and all. So that's why, and I can manage my time according to me only because nobody is here. They are giving me any kind of responsibility that yes, this time you have to do this work or not. And if my
Yes,
mom is saying something to me, so I will say that yes, I can do this after completing this work. so I can do this thing.
Yes, yes. Now you got a good opportunity. Yes.
Yes.
So you can ask me question if you want to ask.
So do you have any favorite color?
Yes, I like to red color.
Red color.
Now, yeah. Now I wear. Yeah.
Okay, if I would say that you have to speak 1 or 2 minutes on red, uh, so can you say it?
Yeah, I will. Yeah, I will try. Yes. So yeah. So red color is my favorite color, and it is a good color in my opinion. And when I see this color, so I feel very good, and yeah, I feel glad when I see this color because I like this color in my childhood, from my childhood. Yes, yeah, and yeah, yes, yes,
Okay, so mostly in clothes you like red color.
yes, yes. Mostly, yeah. My mostly dresses is yeah red color.
Okay, that's nice.
So are you belong to nuclear family and joint family?
Yeah, I'm living in nuclear family, but you can say big nuclear family. I have 4 siblings and my parents.
So do you live in city?
Sorry.
Do you live in city or
Yes,
village?
in
Yes.
city.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
My parents belong to Bihar, so but I don't get time to go there or visit there. So in Bihar we are living in village, but I'm living in Bhopal since my childhood. So it is a city that I'm living here.
Yeah. So how many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings, but my elder sister got married, so now I'm the second one.
Yeah. What she is doing?
She got married and she is also working in BPO sector. But
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
okay, may I know about your one good habit or one bad habit?
Yeah. So my good habit is I am a punctual person. Yeah. And
Mhm.
yes, and I am very dedication about my goal. But yeah, but if I talk about my bad habit, so my bad habit is that yeah, yeah, I can say that I feel very nervous, and yeah, whenever someone shout me, and so that yeah, so I can say that I'm very nervous type person. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
is it?
emotional. Yeah, I'm very emotional type person. Yes.
Yes. I think
Yeah.
it's same with me also. I'm very emotional, and sometimes I hate this kind of habit because if someone is saying anything to me, even they are saying anything good or bad, so I get emotional very quickly, and
Yes.
sometimes it impacts a lot in that situation.
Yes, Sam, it happened with me sometimes. Yeah. I'm very emotional type of person. Yes. Yeah.
So, do you have any favorite toy that when you were a child?
Yeah, at the time I was like teddy bear. That's and yeah, and then at those days the teddy bear made by mama. Yes,
Okay,
and yeah, I always like that teddy bear. Yes, and now this teddy bear is at my home in my town homes. Yes,
okay. So you have you still have that.
yes,
Okay,
yes. I
that's
have
nice.
still yes, yeah.
Mm.
My son is about to wake up. Yes,
Okay, okay.
but no, now she is sleeping. That's why, yeah, that's why I get time.
Okay. Okay, no
Yes,
issue. Then we will get time again, so we will connect another day,
yes,
and
yes.
we
Yeah,
can buy.
it was. Yes, it was nice meeting. Thank you. Yeah,
Thank
thank you
you
for
so much.
connecting with me. Yeah, bye bye.